So, hello girly pops. Today we're going to be doing some very fun stuff, but in order to do that, I'm going to need you guys to like and subscribe, okay? Now, let's go and do it. Hello girly pops. Today we're gonna do something summery, you know? So today we have a little beach. We're gonna have a beach day, but there's a twist. First, we're gonna do it in a baby pool, a very small one that somehow fits all of us. And instead of just water, we're gonna have ORBEEZ. And not only that, time to time we're gonna have like little challenges, and we're basically gonna have a little beach day. So let's start with filling the little baby pool. Come on, let's go. Now we shall pour them in.
So many ORBEEZ, and by the way, it's me recording now.
Okay, Chloe. Now Chloe's gonna go and pour them in.
Now you guys are gonna waste.
Look at that. I think we're gonna need more ORBEEZ. Pour it in, Chloe.
Okay, ready? Thumbs up is go, right?
Just go.
We shall pour it in again. Whoa, so beautiful.
My phone is so hot right now.
Mix it up.
Look how colorful this
Let me
is.
mix it up. Let me mix it up.
Wait, is that all the ORBEEZ?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I mix it up? That looks like a Can I mix it up?
The water? Yes. The water is kind of cold. Ah! It's really cold.
I'm going in, baby.
It's really, really cold.
Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up.
Okay, guys. So we're back. Girly pops. We're just waiting for the ORBEEZ to do it, to like grow. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna play some. I think this is called tennis.
And whoever loses
Something like that. Anyway,
has to put their whole
I keep forgetting what sports are called, but whatever. Anyway, we're gonna play.
That one's mine and someone's.
So Mia and Chloe are gonna have the little jellyfish one.
And me and Sophie's gonna have the shark one.
Yep.
Shark. Are we team, Sophie?
Yes.
Can I start? So there's teams. Yeah, for sure. I don't know how to do. We both have the ball.
Give me the ball.
Yeah.
Okay, so actually, let's just play 2 versus 2. Ready? Oh, Logan versus Mia, Chloe versus Sophie. Anything for the loser to do? But you, okay, whatever. No, because Mia is not going to do that. Chloe's going to dunk her head. You guys have to see this. Okay, guys. Wait, let the people. She is going in.
Can I go in too?
Wait. It's very cold water, just so you guys know.
That sucks. Oh, that wasn't that bad actually.
Logan's gonna dunk his head too, I guess.
Well, not to see this. I need to take my shoes off. get all water on my face now. Alrighty.
No jumping. He's gonna dunk his head.
Not like dunk.
Hey, Chloe, get out. You're waking up the ORBEEZ.
1, 2, 3. It needs to get mixed and move.
Hey, I said no jumping, boy. You're gonna get my phone wet. Okay, next game. Okay, girly pops, we're back, and we're gonna do a little water fight and the trampoline with the trampoline sprinkler on. It's over there, but I don't know where to put my phone, so I just put it on the playground, and you can't really see it though. But wait, actually. Boys, don't leave me. Am I upside down? Is that better? Hold on, guys. Boom! So we're gonna do, basically we're gonna do a little fight now. I'm not excited. Let's no headshots. That's 3, 2. You ready? Get your gun. I don't have one. Yes, you do. I need everyone's here. Where'd you put yours? Oh no. Who has a gun? With water. Me and Mia versus me and Mia. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. You two can be the judges. Throw the gun out if it's not working.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, and go.
3, 2, 1. Shenanigans! No! 1, 2, 3, down. Ready? Go! I'm giving you a 1 out of 5. 3, 2, 1. No! I'm the one! And down. And
I have no more.
Sugar! 3, 2, 1. Down. 3, 2, 1.
So clearly, I won, but now watch us jump for no reason.
Guys, I blowed up this basketball thing with a little baby basketball. The fact that we got all of this on winter is crazy.
Yeah.
Anyway, now we're gonna see who can get the most in with only 10 rounds on the Whittle Pool. So let's start. Okay guys, this is literally the only way I can get it so you can see us. So the water, no splashing.
Okay. Oh my god, it looks so cool with that glasses. It looks so beautiful. You're built this way.
It's so cool.
With glasses, it looks so fun. Glasses, trampoline can dance to the ORBEEZ, but with no glasses.
Stop, no jumping. Mia,
So
no
many
splashing.
ORBEEZ on this side, bro.
It's so cold.
So many. Look at the shadows of the ORBEEZ on the pool. It looks
It's so cold.
Look at the shadows of them. Look right here, behind them.
Okay, now we're gonna play some basketball.
Look at this, Sophie. They look so colorful. The shadows. See? Shadow number 1.
This ball looks like stained glass. Anyway, everyone on this side.
I'm so happy. So many. This was a great idea, Bruskies. Get out the way. Get out the way, Brusky.
Okay, so now we're gonna play some basketball. This should be very easy.
I hate basketball.
Everyone gets
You have never played basketball in your life.
5 turns to get it in.
And
Oh.
10 rounds.
Okay, all the way to the back. All the way to the back.
Guys,
Touching
look
the
at the
back of
color
the pool.
circles on my arm. They're the shadows.
Touching the back of the pool.
Mia, touch the back of the pool.
Go, or you can't play. Okay.
I'm touching the back of the pool.
Logan, be serious. All the way back.
Wow. black one. Give me the black one, B.
Logan,
Scared though.
you have to hit the black thing.
I'm scared though.
Fine, you're not gonna play. Chloe, you wanna go first?
Sure.
Go to the black thing.
Excuse me, guys. Excuse me, guys. Okay, ready.
Here.
This is gonna be hard.
My turn, go. 1, 2. Hey, go back. 4, last one. Chloe, no, wait, she's not going to the count. Who's next?
So we can all have an I'm
1,
Whoa!
2, 3, 4, last one. Okay, it's not really on to the count. Go. Go. Okay, second one. Next, I'm gonna do the double.
No, one of the ORBEEZ fell out. Make it in.
Okay, Mia.
What happened to it? Threw it. Tangled.
Okay, 4. Hey, go. Last one, Mia. Oh, don't do it so I can do it.
Okay, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
No, you can't do that. Get out.
I'll hold it.
Chloe's gonna hold it.
What? That's not fair!
Ready? Oh, I can do that. I'm good. Press it down.
No. I'm gonna put it next to you.
Look how beautiful you do.
I showed them.
Last one. If I get it in, I win. Because none of you got it.
No one got it.
Nobody won.
Now, this is my turn.
Now, we're going to chill.
Yes.
Oh, there's no piano.
I can.
Oh, this is a video for us. Ah! It's so cool!
That's great. Whoa, look at me. I'm winning.
Get out.
Oh, guys, should I swim?
1, 2, 3, yeah!
I'll swim. 3, 2, 1, go. Ready? You
Oh.
count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, do it. What? Go, go, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, go.
It's a goal. I'm doing goals. To the last video. Okay, then there's something. I'm not gonna hide. I'm gonna go get the other stuff. I can go get that. Pops, that's the end of today's video.
What?
So, is what the Orby pool looks like. It didn't really. A lot fell out because there was a lot of splashing.
Here. See the
So,
broken.
look how cute they are when you scoop them. And yes, I said cute. No, hold on. I need a good scoop. Hold on. I can't really scoop with one hand, you know. It's a really hard thing to do. Ah! Why can I not scoop it? Hold on. See, look how pretty they are. So cute. Anyway, of today's video, please like and subscribe. We love you guys so much. Also, I'm going to be posting some shorts here. Don't mind the frizzy hair, okay? Anyway, that's the end. We love you guys so much. Mwah.